Alright, let's look at the homework 3.5, problem number 1. Alright, so we want to find dy over dx. Alright, so let's take the derivative directly from here. Alright, so this is going to be, so we are taking a derivative with respect to x. Right? Since we have two things multiplied together, so this is going to be the first guy, this is going to be the second guy. So apply the product rule. Alright, derivative of the first guy is dy over dx times the second, so you have a cosine of x, plus first guy is y times derivative of the second guy's derivative of cosine is negative sine of x. And the right hand side derivative of 5x squared would be 10x, just a regular derivative, since it's with respect to the same variable. Here we have to do the chain rule, but so it's 4 times 2 is 8y, but you would have to put multiply by dy over dx because of the chain rule. Alright, then I'm going to put all the terms that has dy over dx on the left hand side, and everyone else over to the other side. Right, so let's do that. Right, so we can just simply subtracting 8y dy over dx, and then add y sine of x. So we have dy over dx times cosine of x is already on this side, so you have we took care of this. All right, and then we're let's see, subtracting 8y dy over dx, so we're going to have minus 8y dy over dx. All right, so that we took care of this term right here. Right, so we have 10x on the other side, so I'm going to just put that in, 10x, and then we have to take care of this guy. Oops. Take care of this guy. This is y sine of x, so we're adding y sine of x. Alright, then since we have a dy over dx in common, so I'm going to factor it out. So I'm going to just factor this guy out. So we're going to get dy over dx, and what's left is cosine of x minus 8y, and the right hand side stays the same, so you have a 10x plus y sine of x. Alright, then we can isolate dy over dx by simply dividing by quantity cosine of x minus 8y. Right, so we have dy over dx is equal to, right hand side is 10x plus y sine of x over cosine of x minus 8y. Right, let's type it in. Alright, what we found was 10x plus y sine of x, and over, actually that's not what I want, I have to highlight this whole numerator here, over cosine of x minus 8y. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.